startup, first thing you want to do is turn on your master switch. Everything is off right now. Turn on your master switch, then you go to your inverter and turn it on to on. Click in. Now your system is operating correctly. And that's how you start it up. Okay, we're going to show you all the breakers. So our first one, our main panel here for the 12 volt system, it's actually labeled there. This is your breaker, turn on, and that tab folds out. That means it's tripped. To turn it back on, you literally just take the tab, put it on. These are your solar breakers. Very easy to deal with. Just a little there and there, nothing too hard. You have your alternator charge breaker. Same deal. Push that. Put that in to engage it. And the other one is just down here too, also labeled. Same situation. Come down here, give that a push, so it'll open up. You have your 120 panel, all labeled, all your breakers for your fridge, and basically all your AC stuff and plugs. Now here we have your 12 volts. This is where your 12 volt panel is. Fuse is there and then nicely labeled right there. This is your Victron display. This is your control. So if you look right here, it says AC mode on. You can turn it to charger only and then to off as well from here. Now if you're having AC issues, this could be one of the things that's causing it. So make sure if you want to use your plugs, your air conditioner, any products that require 120 volts, make sure that says on. Now the AC current limit is 15 amps is set to, because that's what we can only rate it to in our shop. When you are at a campsite, you'll want to put that to at least 20 to 25 amps because it's a 30 amp campsite. I would say around 20, and if you want, you could probably go more.
Okay, so this is your city fill and your tank fill. Just put a garden hose in, twist her on. This is the gray tank location, and it's back here. The empty, and the valve is underneath here. And that is plumbing antifreeze. This right here is the hose storage. This is the water heater. Just twist, open, lift. There it is. For normal summer operation on the water heater, there's a bypass located on top of the water heater, and right now it's in bypass as it says with the sticker. You would just turn it down and now it's in normal operation. So this is the secondary bypass. The primary bypass is inside. So to get to your other bypasses, you have to lift your mattress. Here are your 3 valves. This is the primary water bypass, water heater bypass. It's in bypass mode. For normal operation, you would turn it to normal like it says. When you hook your water hose up outside, this is where you decide where the water goes. Right now it's on tank, so it will fill the water tank. You want to use city, so not fill that and use the city pressure. You just turn it to city. The fresh tank drain is located on the floor down here next to the water pump. It's a little bit awkward to get to, but you will find it, it's there. The water pump is located here. It's mounted on the wall. It's this one right here. And then on that one, there's also a strainer, which should be checked annually. The water filter in this unit is located on the wall underneath the sink cabinet. It's the only filter in the unit. This is where the propane tank is mounted. Your on and off valve, your gauge, which is also accessible inside, I believe. This should be shut off when traveling. Make sure it's filled by a professional. So for winterization, there's a winterize valve in here as well. Right now it's in normal operation for normal summer use, but if you want to winterize it, you would turn the valve to winterize, lift the panel out, take this hose and stick it into a bucket of plumbing antifreeze and run your pump. Now your pump will suck from this hose and it'll pump your system full of antifreeze. This is where your plumbing and heating system controls are. This is the tank heater for the gray tank, which should be on when it's below zero. And then this shows you battery percentage or voltage. Fresh, it's 0 because it's empty. Gray, 10%. It's got a bunch of antifreeze in it. You don't have a black, so this is the pump switch. That's the Truma. This is your forward cabin heating, air heating. There's one for the back, which is in. This is the one in the bedroom, which does the back end of the bus. Now we'll also find, when we're back here, the water heater control, which is down here. It's located on the side. This little dial here. It's your water heater. Air conditioner is located above the bed. Controls are right here.
Okay. Door operation for every door in your build is going to have a touch latch. So what it means is you have to push the door in. This is considered a door. Pushes in and then releases. It's this little latch right here. To close it, you do the opposite. Now it's locked. The drawers have also a touch release, so you push the drawer in and pull it out and push it in until it clicks so that it's secure. Flip up countertops are just these flip up brackets. There's a button here that you press, one on each one, and then it drops. When you want to put it back up, just pull it up until each one clicks. I'm just gonna go quickly over our couch operation. So what you gotta do is we'll get rid of these pillows first of all. And there is a touch release here, a lock for the slides there, and you just pull right here. There's one on this one. Pull this out, drop your cushion down there, and add these cushions back here. And your spare bed, you also have this one that can go in there too.